Welcome to your dream home in the highly sought-after Mirabay community. This stunning Westbay-built, single-story home offers 1,969 square feet of elegant living space. The Ibis II floor plan features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths with a thoughtfully designed split-bedroom layout for added privacy. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a large gourmet kitchen, complete with stainless steel appliances, ideal for any cooking enthusiast. The main living areas are adorned with stylish tile flooring, while 2 of the front bedrooms feature durable luxury vinyl plank, and the primary and another secondary bedroom are upgraded with luxurious, high-end carpet. Relax and entertain in style on the 2 full-length, covered patios, both beautifully finished with travertine tiles, providing the perfect spots to enjoy those breezy Florida days. The home also includes plantation shutters on all windows, adding a touch of elegance and privacy throughout. The fully fenced, landscaped yard is a private oasis, with mature flowering trees and bushes enhancing the outdoor ambience. The garage is a homeowner's delight with a clean and durable epoxy-coated floor, perfect for vehicles, storage, or a workspace. Located in the heart of the vibrant Mirabay community, residents enjoy access to a wide array of world-class amenities. Enjoy a resort-style pool, a 24-hour fitness center, pickleball and basketball courts, tennis courts, a clubhouse, and direct access to the bay for boating and water sports. Built in 2014, this home combines modern features with the charm and appeal of a premier waterfront community. Make 537 MANNS Harbor Boulevard your new home and embrace the best of Apollo Beach living. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning piece of paradise.